Hi Dream My friends! Welcome to Storytime. Do you want to dive into the deep blue sea with me? Well, today we'll be reading the book Into the ABC by Deborah Lee Rose. Swim the ocean waves with me and dive into the ABC, where anemones sting and barnacles cling, where crabs crawl in and dolphins spin. Where eels explore and flying fish soar. Where gray whales peep and humpbacks leap. Where insects prance and jellies dance. Where kelp forests sway and leopard sharks prey. Where manatees lumber and narwhals slumber. Where octopuses hide and penguins glide. Where queen angels glow and rays swoop low. Where sea stars grab and tiger sharks nab. Where umbrella mouths dine and viper fish shine. Where blue whales exhale. Where yellowfin dive and zillions of zooplankton thrive. Now come and swim again with me through the wonders of the ABC. Wow, we met so many new sea animal friends in this book. Do you remember how many? I want you to go back and count for yourself. I'll give you a clue. There's one animal for each letter of the alphabet. Good luck! I'll see you next time. Bye!